I was watching the Wimbledon final this month and there was a really important guitar lesson in the actual final. Here's why. Just 35 days ahead of the Wimbledon final, Jannik Sinner, the world number 1, was faced against Alcaraz, the world number 2, in the French Open final. And he was 1 point away from winning the whole championship and he blew it. The match went on for about 2 hours longer and he lost. 1 point from winning and he lost it all. Now, if you've ever been in that situation in sport or music, guitar, where it looked like everything was going your way, only for it all to fall apart or come tumbling down, well, you know, it can mess with your head, it can affect your confidence and affect you next time you step out to play. Any missed note or chord, any mistakes that popped up at moments in your performance, well, it can pop up in your head and just replay around and around and you'd think about it. And the commentators in tennis were wondering the same thing about Jannik Sinner when he was in the Wimbledon final. But in the semi-finals, Andre Agassi said something that hit me. He said, to win Wimbledon, Jannik Sinner is going to have to practice having selective memory. He's going to have to completely forget about the French Open. Because carrying those memories of almost winning, almost everything going right into the next match, the game will be over before it would even begin. And I don't know about you and your guitar playing, but any time where I've doubted myself and I've kept replaying back mistakes I've made in my performances, well, it affects me when I step up to play again. If I make a mistake, I then say to myself, told you, you'd make a mistake. And it just rolls and rolls and rolls out of control. But selective memory is the solution. So what happened was Sinner stepped out on the Wimbledon grass and he actually won the final. Completely forgot about the French Open. And here's the thing, a bad memory can be actually one of the best skills you can develop as a guitarist to improve your confidence and move forward. If you've ever had a dodgy performance, you have 2 options. 1, rewind it endlessly, beat yourself up, see how that goes on the instrument. Or 2, look back, gently review it, tweak your practice routine based on what you learned, and step out again as soon as possible and play again and act like it never happened. You're not your last bunch of mistakes on guitar. And it says nothing about you as a person. What you're really made up of is what you decide to show up as and do next on guitar. If you enjoyed this video, pop a comment below. I read all the comments. Let me know about a time you've stepped out on guitar and it went well. I'll see you in the comments.